Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive, stock number E1441P. 62,000 miles in this Grand Cherokee, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright silver metallic in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Laredo has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, button start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual zone heating and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission with electronic range select, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.